how to fix this video may content graphic or violate content on Instagram in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open Instagram and then click on your account. After clicking on your Instagram account, then on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then scroll down, and here you can see the option content preferences. Now click on it and then click on sensitive content. Now here you can set your sensitive content controls to less, standard or more. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.